Girl, I hope they get down. But in reality, this is how my pancakes come out because I forget about them. This is my true reality. Enrique hates drinking water, so what I did was I bought him these tiny little waters. Here you go, Daddy. And before it was so hard to get him to drink water. And now he drinks water like nothing. Stand up. And then we have to give him his daily vitamin. He takes these little critters, multivitamins.
Only one day, right?
How many?
Only one.
One a day, huh? Because they're not candy. And yeah, he takes them every day. It's the best deal is to get them at Costco. Honestly, like I bought these at Winco and it was like $7. And Costco you can get like the huge one for like 10. So they're like little gummies. The yum yum? Yum yum yum? My eyes are like drowsy. Have you guys ever ate something that tastes so good that it tickles your tongue? Oh my god. This is so good. I'm so hungry. Oh my god, my eyes are so drowsy because this is so good. I can't deal with this.
You can see me from far away, watch.
Okay.
Oh, there's something on your camera. There's smudge.
Where?
Right here. Look it. Or maybe it's ghost. Look it right there. Hey, let me clean it. Ew, you're choking. I smell too good, huh? Ew.
Oh my god. I think I'm getting sick.
I'm already sick because someone pointed out a fan right at me last
You
night.
guys, I think I'm getting sick. My eyes are like hurting me. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Okay. I can't see straight. Alright, so okay, so I'm eating. I know it looks gross, but I made like ceviche with cauliflower instead of fish since I'm a vegetarian. And I added a little mayonnaise and I'm so hungry and it's so good.
I want an orange. Can you peel the orange for me? Why? I don't like peeling. It's very boring.
My tongue is tickling. I don't know why.
That's disgusting.
I can't see straight.
Oh.
I made a mess. Right.
Mom,
I'm gonna try and eat this. Huh? So good. Like vegetable cereal in lemon instead of milk. I am folding laundry. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would know that I have a lot of laundry to put away. And I'm just like organizing everything, getting rid of like a lot of Enrique's old clothes that don't fit him. And yeah, Roxy came in here and she wanted to snuggle, so I laid down with her, and I was laying down with her for about 30 minutes, but I have so much to do, so I'm like, okay, I have to do this. So I came up with a solution on how to be able to be with Roxy and do laundry. I put her inside Rick's drawer.
There you go. Hey, you're natural.
She's taking a nap. Yes, you are. The little princess is taking a nap in Daddy's drawer, huh? Are you sleeping in Daddy's drawer? Are you sleeping in Daddy's little drawer?
In this little innocent life, it was just an amazing feeling. Honestly. Her little cheek like rested in my neck, and I was just melted.
Okay. Let's open this. She's not even bothered. Okay, so like these don't fit Enrique. We're gonna throw those out. I don't even think these fit him. What size are they? He just like is growing so fast. Like nothing fits him. So yeah, these don't fit him. Probably gonna cut his circulation. Oh my god, these little jeans Mason gave to him. They don't fit him. That definitely doesn't fit him. And like I was holding on to clothes that like kind of didn't fit him, but why am I gonna hold on to them, you know? But look, you guys, why? Why?
Well, that's fine. I'm not pregnant anymore.
You guys, I just want to show you my outfit real quick. Like, does this look stupid? I'm wearing a Rams shirt with brown boots and leggings. Does it look stupid? I just want to wear Rams for Rick because Rick loves Rams. Oh my god, I plump my lips right now. They're all. I hope they get down. By the time Rick comes home, they're too big. I just want to pump them a little bit. I was watching Jersey Shore, bitch, by the way. Oh my god. Fire and desire. Where's my purse at? Oh. Does anybody want to go with me?
Or to my model.
Or Dad?
I'm trying to watch.
Oh, Faith, that is not.
Ew, Faith? What is Faith? Faith is watching porn.
So bad.
In the background.
Wait, let me see.
They have to make them camouflage.
Mom, move! I'm trying to watch this.
This is my first attempt.
Why didn't you
I'm not moving.
before you came?
As a matter of fact.
All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies.
I kind of.
Okay, that only hurt me because now I'm super tired. Okay, I'm leaving.
Where are you going?
So, you guys have to watch each other.
It's actually my first time doing camouflage.
Enrique, behave.
Very easy with just bold colors and.
You guys, a Christmas tree at night? So nice. You guys, this is my favorite Christmas song, like, ever. It's so cool to have teenagers, like, to be able to stay with Enrique. Like, man, it's just so nice to have a minute alone with Rick, you know what I mean? Like, we just have not had that, like, ever. So, it's really nice. With our legs are on honey.
My mom's making me vegan food.
Oh my god, I dropped the garbage.
And she made me the wrong pasta. That pasta's not vegan. It has eggs in it.
So now I have to remake it. I figured I'll just make a macaroni salad with that for Thanksgiving. Okay, so I'm making her a spaghetti sauce. I don't know what I'm doing.
What did you want me to get you?
Wait, let me explain.
Wait, you wanted me to get you something.
I don't know the oil.
Oh, the oil?
I don't know what I'm doing. I've never made this. This isn't a recipe. I'm literally just winging it for her. Trying to make her some food. But I dropped, oh, there it is.
And we have, where are they? Are they? Right here. Some vegan meatballs.
Which I think are going to be nasty because I hate meatless meat.
She hates fake meat, but I think I like it.
It's because you like those nasty hot dogs.
That hot dog was good. You didn't taste it.
But you like those nasty hot dogs, that's why you don't mind it. Okay, so first I'm gonna do that to the garlic and drop it in the oil. And Faith doesn't like onion, so I'm gonna only use a little bit just for some flavor. And I'm gonna cut the onion super small so she doesn't taste it in the fresh sauce.
What are we watching, Enrique? Hey, don't hit me. I don't like that. We're watching Ryan Higa.
Dude, this Nintendo paper is freaking awesome, man. Oh, if you like that, you're gonna love Microsoft's new system. What's that? Xbox.
Do you like the tree, Enrique? Why are you so boring today? Enrique, are you okay?
A boy band music video about games?
And Skylar's eating that poor cow over there.
What?
You're eating that cheese.
Good. Good too. Good.
Okay, so I have stewed tomatoes and I broke my blender or else I would blend them. And I'm just chopping them up into little pieces. Okay, so now, now we're gonna add these tomatoes and it is gonna pop.
Frank, it's not gonna pop.
Not that hot. And then I'm gonna add,
You just sweat my toe.
some salt.
That's a lot of salt.
She cannot have any regular sugar. Brown sugar is vegan. Before anybody attacks us in the comments, I looked it up. So we're gonna put about 3 scoops of that. You need extra brown sugar. It's not like normal brown sugar.
No.
A little oregano.
So it tastes like Italian.
Italiano.
Right, Mom?
Yes.
Come here, my beautiful Roxy. I like to call Roxy beautiful. Huh, you're such a beautiful Roxy. Look at that. That's not cow. No. That's not pain right there.
You know the only one who's really watching you be vegan is Suzette.
Yeah, heck yeah. I've been saying heck a lot.
Okay, let me taste it.
Doesn't
not
taste
bad.
like it tastes like a veggie burger, huh?
I can do that meatless meat. I didn't like the chicken.
I don't know what you got.
Now, gonna put our meatballs all over. Let them live. Take them to their destination.
Did you make enough sauce?
Oh, no, I didn't, but it doesn't have to be drenched.
That's true. Roxy's been acting like a baby all day.
You know, it's so precious.
Alyssa, she doesn't like Alyssa today. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
There you go. Now I'm gonna try one of your meatballs.
Trey, taste test it.
Yeah. My first meatless meatball. I couldn't handle this. I like it.
Give me a fork. Ow, it's hot. A fork.
Mm-mm.
I swear, if he's watching something terrible. Bueno.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. All the single